Hi everybody, it's me, Teresa Perrin. For those of you new to the channel, welcome. For those of you that are back, thank you so much for watching. I want to discuss AVCT with you guys today. Again, guys, what an amazing day we had. And guys, we saw the doji last night on the daily chart, which was an indicator that we should be making a move up. However, we also saw that the day before and we gapped down, which I found very odd because that is not a normal reaction. Whatever the case may be, it is what it is. And guys, shorts are hungry in this stock. I told you they were going to try their best to take it below $1, but they failed. And we are on the move up. And I don't think that it's going to get there tomorrow as they hoped. I think we do continue this nice trend upwards. If you guys have been in AVCT this whole time through the reverse split, please put a heart in the chat. If you're new, please put a rocket. And please don't confuse me and put both, because I'm really trying to get an idea if new people are coming into this play or not with this move that we saw upwards today. So that's my reason for wanting to see that in the comments, guys. That helps me to understand where you're at, but I am going to give a little bit of a basic review and followed by what I see going on. So let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own DD. Before I forget, if you guys could just smash that like button for me, it helps with the algorithms and to get this news out there about AVCT. And we want as many people watching stock videos to know what's going on with AVCT, because we need volume to come in, guys, and to continue coming in. So anyways, AVCT was up 31.42% today. And yes, we still have a ways to go to get back to where the reverse split took place. But guys, this is a great start that I see continuing. Now, if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I tweeted out yesterday that we started trending again on Discord. Well, guys, we are trending again now on StockTwits. We are ranked number 9. Hopefully, as we continue to move up, we can bump that up. And guys, you will only see us trending on StockTwits, I believe, under the most active category right now, because our price is below $5 a share. And I don't think on StockTwits that they will mention you if it's, or you will see yourself trending in other categories unless you are over, I believe it's $5 a share, but it could be higher. If you know for sure, if you could add that in the comments too, that would be great, because I'm going by just what I've seen in the past. And guys, I don't go on StockTwits other than really to look at what's most active. Occasionally I'll read comments. Every once in a great while I will say something, but it's not too often. It's usually in response to something I see. Anyways, let's take a look at, oh geez, hang on one second. Oh guys, I am having issues with my internet service. I don't know what it is, but since my daughter's been home, I don't know if she has like 20 devices or what, but bear with me. Be right back. Okay, guys, forgive me if I repeat myself on anything, because it took me so long to fix this issue that I completely lost my train of thought. But anyways, AVCT is still given a buy signal by the one analyst that has rated it so far. And we're going to keep our eye on this to see if, as the price goes up, we get any more analysts giving us ratings. And the current price target, according to this analyst, is $7. Webull is still showing this as a short and medium downtrend. And guys, that's quite simply because we need to move above the moving average channel in order to start getting some bullish events that happen. As you can see, the latest was neutral when we got this doji. And this is the doji on the daily chart that I was referring to that indicated a reversal in the trend. Now, the day before, maybe it wasn't an exact doji. That tail's not quite as long, which could have been why we got that gap down in between. But this was 100% a full doji, guys. And this, to me, indicated that we should be moving up that next day, which indeed we did today, right? So that is my reason why I was able to buy the bottom, because those of you that follow me on Twitter know that I bought more today, and it wasn't a lucky guess, guys. It was based on what the technicals were telling me. Now, again, here's the chart, and here's me showing you this doji. But see this doji? This is a doji. Maybe the tail's not perfect, but this is a doji. So again, I'm confused as to why we had that gap down, but we did fill that first gap down today, which is great, guys. We still do have another gap from $3.15 to $3.93. And as you can see down the bottom, I have the RSI circled because we are still in oversold territory, guys. So there's a long way up to go, right? That's actually good for us. As that starts to move up, we want to see it get above 40 and hold as we're trending upwards. That's what I'll be looking for. Let's see. I just want to give you some details for the newer people. This is still wrong on Webull. It's showing our free float at 6.19 million and the shares outstanding at 8.44 million. As we know from the most recent filing, off the top of my head, it's somewhere around 27.5 million shares that we have, which brings our market cap, guys, up above 35 million, which we need to be in NASDAQ compliant. So we're compliant there. Now, tomorrow, we need to hold above that $1, which I'm very confident we're going to do. And then, guys, on Monday, we should see a very bullish press release stating that we have regained NASDAQ compliance. And I'm expecting to see that on Monday because, again, it would be 10 trading days that we have held above $1. That reverse split took place almost 2 weeks ago now on a Friday. So tomorrow would be the 2-week mark on a Friday night in the after hours. So Monday when we woke up, we saw that our price of the share count was based on that 15-to-1 reverse split, right? So for every 15 shares that people held prior to the split, they got 1 for, and that increased the price above that $1 range, right? And guys, I know that a lot of you know this, but I'm just repeating some of this for the newer people so that they know what's going on. And again, here's another view of it, the gap that we filled today, guys, with this candle. And we still have this very big gap, like I said, to the upside. So there's bullish things coming. And look here, this is just recently, guys, like since September. So I'm expecting to fairly quickly get back up to this 779 price point and hopefully go up higher from there. I expect that to happen over the next couple of weeks. Maybe sooner if a lot of volume comes in. It's very hard to say. I want to show you Fintel, and please do not let my internet be going out again because I don't know why this is not loading. It's going super slow. Hang on. Okay, so according to Fintel, our short interest is still showing at 224.41% with 3.25 days to cover. Guys, do not be shocked when this percentage changes to somewhere around 15% because I do not think they have accounted for the reverse split. So I'm dividing that 225 by 15 and I get 15, right? You know, just for the sake of math, guys, I rounded it up to 225 to get that 15. So it might be 14 point something percent. So I'm telling you this, and I'm going to keep repeating that because I don't want people to be like, oh my God, it went from 225 down to 15%. No, this is why. So please understand that. And guys, anything over 10% puts us in the squeeze category where we have a potential to squeeze the shorts out. There are only 150,000 shares to borrow as of end of day today. So guys, this was up to 550,000. So they're still trying to short this back down. I'm telling you, sometimes they just don't know when to quit. There's a saying in the market, and that's that pigs get slaughtered. You get too greedy in either direction, guys, and you're going to get smoked. No one wants to be bacon, right? So 25.46 is the current cost to borrow. And as the price goes up, you would expect to see that the cost to borrow goes up. And guys, depending on how stubborn these shorts are, I think tomorrow they're going to lay it on pretty hard. I'm just giving you the heads up. Will they succeed? Hopefully not. But anyways, let's see. As of failure to delivers tomorrow, we have 2,029,610 due. And look, today we had 3,819,865 shows due. Now, guys, I'm going to remind you of something. These numbers are cumulative. So although we look at them and see this great number that's due, when you look at the numbers ahead of it, you can see that they have been covering. We don't know what comes after this. So if they have covered all of those shares in the meantime, then they may not have any failure to delivers left for tomorrow. I use this as a base just to see what we're up again. But guys, they did pretty well with not delivering these because they got those shares at 17 cents. So even if you were to multiply that by 15, it'd be, they paid a lot higher of a price than what it's currently trading at, right? So anyways, guys, that's what I have for you today. And hopefully we have another bullish day tomorrow. I'm liking that we are trending on Discord and on StockTwits. I think that's great. With, you know, an over 30% move to the upside today, I really do expect to see another green day tomorrow. But I would be naive to say that shorts are not going to give it all they have on that one last day to try to bring us below $1 and not meet NASDAQ continue listing requirements, right? And I'm not naive. I am far from it. But guys, there's a lot of bullish sentiment here, and technically I like what I'm seeing. So I do expect us to hold that. And even though tomorrow they may give us a battle, I think we're going to conquer.